Am I just sunshine and pink clouds in the sky and everything is right?
Life is really a series of moments, a series of now.
Lost in thought, I'm tripping. Oh, I'm wishing I was feeling different. Looking for a reason why this feeling keeps on coming back to me. It's hurting me, disturbing me. Thought it was a warning. Looking for clues to see the truth, but it was just deceiving. Tell me why it has to fuck my night up, even on my nights out.
These are my ginger shots. I take them every morning. You guys always ask what I put in my ginger shots. I don't really have a recipe for it. It's just oranges, lemons, ginger, and then I add some cayenne pepper. This morning it's a little bit much. And mornings don't feel complete without this. It's almost like taking a tequila shot in the morning and it like awakens your whole body. Oh, there's my dog. It awakens your whole body. Dog drinks some water. It awakens your body and then also like flushes your body out. I'm gonna go and take some skincare. My skin's gonna eyes are watering. I'm gonna grab pre-workout, which is just honey. My mom randomly got this one with the honeycomb in it, and probably will never get that again because the chunks in it, it sticks in your mouth. So as you guys see on my Instagram story, I'm always using honey and Himalayan sea salt. This is what I use for my pre-workout. It's the only thing. Like if I take an energy drink, I'm like, ugh. Wait, this is just like a calm and hyper. Just take something like that, and I'll take my salt and I'll just put it on there. Caught it. And that's it. Here we are at the gym. Basement. I don't know if I showed you guys the gym, but it's just my sister's room. But she doesn't live here anymore, so I brought the gym from the garage. It's Monday, and usually on Mondays I do legs. I'll put a timer on for 45 minutes, and once the 45 minutes is done, it's my choice if I either want to stay, continue working out, or just stop fully. I created this as a habit to stay consistent and stay on track with my goals. Everybody was asking me about motivation tips. It's not motivation, it's consistency. It's getting up every day, whether you have motivation or you don't, because on most days I don't have motivation. Like today, I'm not motivated to work out. But as soon as I put that timer on for 45 minutes, I'm locked in for 45 minutes. Then I can complain after. Does it look like I want to work out every day? No, but I get up and move my body, and it's the before. It's honestly just getting down there and working out, and as soon as I start, it's fine, but it's starting. And it's all about making it easier for you to start. So 45-minute timers, or like I'm gonna work out for 5 minutes, put a timer on for 5 minutes. I bet you that you'll put a timer on for 5 minutes, work out for 5 minutes, and then once the timer goes off at 5 minutes, you'll be like, oh, I'll just continue working out because I'm here, I'm doing it, so might as well continue. And then it's just building habits from there. Anyways, that's my spiel. But realistically, for leg days, I kind of group of like areas where I want to work with, and then I do supersets for it. So I do 4 supersets, and supersets are just 2 exercises. As soon as you're done first exercise, you go straight to the next one, and then you take a break. You guys always ask about where my sets are from. Mainly they're from Lulu, but today I'm not wearing any Lulu, which is surprising. These shorts that I'm wearing right now are from Aritzia. It's a Canadian brand. And then I have my sports bra, which is from Pink, Victoria's Secret Pink. And this is from Nike. I just like the brands that have minimal logos because I don't know, ever since I was little, remember when Aeropostale used to be the way to go? Aeropostale this, Aeropostale that. I look back at those photos and I'm like, oh, I can't. Anyways, good morning. It's a beautiful day to be alive. We're well, we're thriving, and things are looking up. I always say when you wake up in the morning, just be like, today's gonna be a great day. Setting that intention for the day. Your inner world is a reflection of your outside world. So if your inner world's saying it's gonna be a great day, it's gonna be a great day. Anyway, well, I need to stop talking.
released on Sundays. Obviously, I record them like before Sunday, and you know,
every Sunday's Father's Day. Yeah.
I don't know what did I do? Her name. She always sends me like, oh, I've got your question, your life, and if you're posting your life, then why aren't you posting a big?
This is my go-to protein shake. Just banana, 3 dates, and make sure they're pitted. Spinach. So that's what my protein shake kind of looks like. Any chance I get to do this, I'll be like, I'll read a chapter and do this. But let's clear our space. What's the order for today? What's the vibe? What's it gonna be? Have confidence. Have strength, balance. Have the confidence that you have to accomplish your dreams and do the things that you want to do. You may feel isolated, separated, just like alone right now. That's what they're kind of saying, but just understand when you're alone, you're allowed to like come back to yourself and see what you actually want, which allows you to open yourself up to love. Open your heart chakra and open yourself up. Be vulnerable. Allow forgiveness. Allow things to come in. Open your heart for bigger and better things and more will come up. If you're not open to all the new experiences and all the change that comes in with evolving and growing, then new things and better things won't come in. If you're always like, oh, why is this always happening to me? Be grateful if that's happening for you because it's shifting your energy and allowing you to really be in your highest version of yourself. So open yourself up to that energy and open yourself up to love. Like allow love of all things in your life. Like love for your passions, for your growth, for your work, for relationships. Allow love in and then things will just come in. And understand that you're being supported on this. Your angel guides are with you and understand that this isolation in this time is meant to happen and meant for your growth and meant for you to evolve and become the best version of yourself. A lot of you guys were DMing me about being alone and struggling being alone. Look at the beauty of all things that come with being alone because you're allowed to just focus on yourself because then it allows you to come back to yourself and be with yourself and really understand what you want. What do you want out of this life? What do you want for yourself? What are the lessons and patterns and cycles that have been happening in your life? Like being alone is a beautiful thing. And I just like want you guys to lean in. Like if you're single right now and you're like, oh, like no guy like wants to be with me and blah, blah, blah. And it's like, you're not single. You're like having the art of really discovering who you are and how you operate and what you do. And loving yourself allows you to understand like what do you want out of a relationship? What do you want for yourself? Because when you're able to be alone and fully love yourself and be okay with being by yourself, then when you get into a relationship, you should be so secured in yourself. And having that secure attachment style is really hard to get to, but alone time is the only way to get there. I'm so grateful for when a lesson comes through because when a lesson comes through, then it's, oh, I'm learning something and I'm going to advance. Or if challenges come into my life, I don't think of like, oh, why me, poor me. I think of, oh, this is going to make me stronger. I'm going to pull some of these cards. Look at that. I was like seeking the beauty and all things, like find beauty. Like seek beauty. Seek the beauty in everything around you. Have gratitude in the things that come, even good, bad. Gratitude for what you already have and be open for new things to come. I feel like that's the overall message because infinite blessings are coming. And even though if you're alone right now and you're struggling, be gentle with yourself. Those are the messages that came up for today. Battery is clicking right now. It's flashing at me. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly close out today's video. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Focus on yourself. Pour into yourself. Love yourself. And if you have time today, look at yourself in the mirror and say, I love you, because that heightens our frequency. And we want to be in great frequency when we want to be like, I'm open to love. I'm open to opportunities. I'm open to everything that this universe has to give me. And with that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.